Okay, so today we are showing you a very good apartment in French Colony. मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी डील दिला सकता हूँ, okay? But you will have to contact me, come and see the apartment, and then you can get the best deal, okay? And people who love big apartments right on the main road की ज़्यादा गलियों में न जाना पड़े, कुछ करना पड़े, उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. हर फ्लोर पे सिर्फ 2 ही अपार्टमेंट हैं, एक उस साइड एक इस साइड. हम ये वाला देखेंगे अभी. It also has some terrace. It's got 2 lifts. It's got everything that you find in a gated society type building, you know, where 24/7 security, dedicated car parks, वो सब हम बाद में कवर करेंगे. पर पहले अपार्टमेंट देखते हैं. This is one of a kind if you're looking for something in Delhi, you know, and you know I like stuff which is a little different. And the moment we enter, you're going to see that the flooring is different, you know, and the whole thing is very different to the usual South Delhi builder floors. But look at this door to start with. Huge door. I love impressive big doors, you know, and very nice Yale lock, so good security. There is of course security outside, and then this entire big hall is the drawing dining of the house. So this is not a small apartment like in South Delhi. We usually have 2,000, 2,500, maximum 3,000 square feet apartments. This is more than 4,000 square feet, and centrally air conditioned, open on all the sides, great views. Like from here, if you see, I don't know if the camera is able to show it, but it's all greenery. The building next door is very green. The building next door on the other side is also very green, by the way. We are so close to that intersection of that ashram intersection. Somebody wanting to go to Noida goes in that direction. You go straight, you go to Nizamuddin East. On the other side, you go to Faridabad, you know. So, depends who likes what location. Centrally air conditioned है. So, यहाँ पे सारे vents आ गए. यहाँ पे इन्होंने down throw वाला vent बनाया हुआ है. Down throw मतलब जो नीचे फेंकता है basically. Nothing very fancy, but it's nicer looking. इधर भी है, इधर फिर एक और वेंट आ गया. यहाँ पे it's very interesting. यहाँ white है, यहाँ पे वो wooden के साथ black touch दिया हुआ है. Looks very nice. Somebody's thought about it, you know. So this would ideally be the dining area. यहाँ पे आपकी dining table वगैरह आ गई. और अगर आपको drawing dining बिल्कुल separate रखना है, you could have a partition here. पर फिर वो hall की जो look होती है थोड़ी छोटी हो जाती है. और ये अगर हम देखें, right at the entrance there is this wooden wall. So, इन्होंने करा क्या है very smartly, इसके पीछे सारे panels हैं वैसे. I don't know if I can take it out. Let's see. तो ये पीछे panels हैं और इसके ऊपर इन्होंने magnetic वो रखा हुआ है. So you put it like this. This is the right way to do it, but let's try. Okay. और ये magnetic हुआ है. So looks like a very nice wooden wall. Instead of having this one wooden thing here, they made like a whole wooden paneling, you know. It's looking very nicely, smartly done, I would say. Okay, so this is not a 100% ready apartment. This is more like 95% ready. You know, I'm calling it ready to move, but you know, थोड़ी बहुत चीजें छोटा मोटा इधर उधर होना है और साफ सफाई की और जरूरत है. वो चमका देंगे एक बारी before handover. But all in all, fittings are very good. जैसे ये सारा Bosch वगैरह का लगा रखा है इन्होंने. This tops look very nice. You know, I'm a fan of lighter colors. तो ये white और जो इसके अंदर दाना दाना है, you know, that comes across very nicely. This is glossy, which is good because साफ करने में आसान रहता है. नीचे glossy नहीं है. Overall theme, it's been designed very well. I quite like it. पूरा घर sound proof है, सब जगह double glazing की हुई है. अब ये जो छोटी windows हैं, ये भी double glazed हैं. बड़े doors तो हैं ही हैं. इसको अगर हम बाहर जाएं, this is quite a large balcony. एंड टू एंड अगर आप देखोगे, अब यहाँ आके थोड़ा शोर आना शुरू हो जाता है क्योंकि अब हम बाहर आ गए, यू नो. एंड द प्रॉपर्टी नेक्स्ट डोर इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट अमेजिंग. देयर इज लाइक अ बिग लॉन. सीम्स लाइक दे हैव अ फुटबॉल ग्राउंड फॉर देमसेल्व्स, यू नो. इट्स कॉल्ड लग्जरी, यू नो. But you could have your washing machine here, and you know the cleaning and all that can be done here. ऊपर से covered है क्योंकि ऊपर तो roof है ही हमारे पास यहाँ पे, वो भी wooden planks लगे हुए हैं, which is looking quite nice. So kitchen के अंदर air conditioning की हुई है इन्होंने, यहाँ पे there is a big 4-way cassette AC, you know, that looks quite nice. So kitchen is very well occupied. I mean very well appointed. और space बहुत है, खुला space है. अब यहाँ पे बीच में एक छोटा सा island आ जाता, थोड़ी जगह tight हो जाती. तो you know the ladies of the house will be very happy because they've been thought of. You know यहाँ पे वैसे आपका वो आएगा refrigerator वगैरह. They have not provided. One can get his own. Now you see the quality of this the windows. You know the sound insulation. मैं इसको बंद कर रहा हूँ and it disappears. You know look at this. Can you hear it? Now there is so much of noise, and it's gone. Once you have curtains, furniture, and all that, it will probably be even more better. So, as a dining hall, this is a very big area. This could be a dining and a lounge actually. पर you know बड़ा होता है तो fully feel आती है. एक इन्होंने यहाँ पे ये लगा दिया ये सर्वर के उसके लिए. I don't know how good this is. You could probably make it nicer, put a cabinet on top and hide it under that. Whatever. I wouldn't have done that. I would have done a wooden thing, you know. Okay, and then all the bedrooms are on this side. तो आपका गेस्ट आया, वहाँ से आया और वहीं से चला गया. ठीक है. आपका जो लिविंग स्पेसेस हैं बाकी सारे के सारे वो प्राइवेट हो जाते हैं. इनफैक्ट अगर आप यहाँ पे एक पार्टीशन कर देते हो इस जगह पे, यहाँ पे अगर हम एक पार्टीशन कर दें तो आपका डाइनिंग भी अलग हो गया और ड्राइंग बिल्कुल ही अलग हो गया. सो you know you would have a lot of privacy. Depends. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't want it all खुला you know. Okay, तो ये powder room है, very beautifully done. I love this marble. I love this, you know. Now there is this trend of having dark powder rooms, you know, which is fine. But this is dark but not so dark also, you know. बीच में ये white lines वगैरह नहीं है. कई जगह पे एक बहुत ही इम्प्रैक्टिकल बेसिन भी लगा हुआ देखा है मैंने आजकल, जहाँ पे नीचे ना स्टोरेज है ना आगे कुछ जगह है कुछ रखने की, यू नो. वो बस एक गोल सा बेसिन ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है, कहाँ रखोगे बाकी सब चीज़ें. सो दिस इज वे नाइसर आई वुड से. दिस इज वे मोर प्रैक्टिकल एंड गुड लुकिंग. नाउ वी हैव 4 बेडरूम्स. ठीक है. सो सारे अच्छे साइज़ के बेडरूम हैं. लेट्स लुक एट दिस फर्स्ट वन. सेंट्रल एयर कंडीशन है, यहाँ पे भी है वहाँ पे भी है, और बिग विंडो, अगेन डबल ग्लेज्ड है, कोई शोर नहीं आ रहा यहाँ से. तो खोलते हैं तो आता है. वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा है भी नहीं देखा जाए तो, पर बीच बीच में आपको हॉर्न मारेगा तो आएगा. पर इसको बंद कर दिया तो बिल्कुल ही सही हो जाता है. एंड देन देयर आर लाइक ह्यूज 4-door वार्डरोब इन दिस बेडरूम. इसमें इन्होंने स्पेशल एक नीचे भी हैंगर लगाया हुआ है, यू नो, which is very interesting. And then all this space for whatever else you want to store, you know. Then we have this, another one. Again, they've given, instead of more storage down there, they've made like 2 spaces to hang. Now you could add additional storage, it's not a problem, but this is how they've done. The quality looks quite good actually, you know. The touch feels very good. Everything seems very premium, you know. So this is the bathroom of this first bedroom. Light tiling वगैरह का काम किया. This is all white. This is all good. So the bathrooms here are not huge like in some properties we cover, and some of the bathrooms are huge. दूसरे bathroom इससे थोड़े बड़े हैं, but still just making a point that is not as huge as in some properties. So every property has its own pros and cons. Some people just hate big bathrooms, सारा area waste कर दिया. So उनके लिए शायद ये उनको बड़ा अच्छा relief मिलेगा. हाँ ठीक है, bathroom इतने होना चाहिए था, you know. And then this is the shower area. Shower area is pretty good, large enough, comfortable enough, you know. And अच्छी fittings वगैरह लगी हुई हैं. They've used Toto everywhere it seems. So Toto is the top-notch thing. Toto hand screw. All right, let's go to other ones. Okay, this is the other bedroom. Quite similar but slightly larger. उससे बड़ा ज़रूर है. Again, all central air conditioned. The whole house is central air conditioned. But this wardrobe's here now. It's got 5 doors. So that one had 4. This one has 5. Let's see, quite similar to the wardrobe we saw there. बाहर से देखने में एक जैसे ही है, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है, और अंदर से भी सेम है. And then, so this is the balcony with the thing. Now say the bed is actually going to come. No, the bed is going to come on that side. So bed यहाँ पे ऐसे आएगा, and say if I'm here and that is what I see, you know, the view is not bad. The view is very good. You know, the view is like all palm trees and other trees I can see, and it's got a huge balcony. पूरी यहाँ से लेके दूसरे कोने तक ड्राइंग रूम तक जाती है. So one could easily like sit down here and have a tea, coffee, have a beer, whatever you want, and there is a huge walkway. तो अगर हम बिल्कुल उस कोने से देखें तो वहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So around more or less 40 feet of space, you know, and 40 feet is quite a lot. And this is what you see on this side, you know. This is also quite beautiful. अभी हमने दूसरी साइड ही देखी थी, अभी इस साइड भी व्यू बहुत अच्छा है. बाकी अब अंदर चलते हैं. Let's see the bathroom of the property, of this bedroom. All right, let's see this. Now of course there are things you could feel यार better हो सकता था, हमारे हिसाब से हो सकता था. उसके लिए आपको अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन खरीदनी पड़ती है. ठीक है, वो भी दिला देंगे. But this is more a ready product. So here they've used this kind of tiling, you know, and again fittings are top notch. They use Toto, and very light colored flooring, and I think as a bathroom this is quite nice. It's very functionally made, you know. अगर आप यहाँ मूवमेंट देखोगे, इधर से उधर घूमना है, कुछ करना है, स्पेसेस कितने हैं, स्टोरेजेस कितनी है, वो सब बहुत अच्छे से किया हुआ है. You know, it's not just show business है. So just making a point. I quite like that. There could have been things which could have been better. Like I would have placed this geyser outside. शायद थोड़ी balcony में एक eyesore हो जाता. But I would have done that. But ठीक है. You know, you evaluate every property. Not every property will have everything you want. और शायद ये बाहर लगाया होता तो कोई कहता है यार ये क्या कर दिया. Doors are good by the way. Big enough, solid enough. Mind you, this is not the new height. So this property was being developed and then plans were sanctioned before the new height came. So this is still the old height, but the ceiling doesn't look that bad. Okay, now we have the two largest bedrooms of the house. पर इसके अंदर इन्होंने अभी फ्लोरिंग लगाई नहीं है. यहाँ वुडन फ्लोरिंग लगेगी और वो आइडिया उनका ये है कि बिल्कुल फ्रेश लगा के देंगे जैसे कोई मूविंग कर रहा होगा. Everything is ready and you could also choose which one you want. But look at the size of the bedroom. My God, this is so big. This is like very large bedroom, you know, and you easily have recliners and sofas and other stuff along with your bed. And उस side तो हमने देख ही लिया था, same ही है जो बाहर देखा था. But look at the amount of natural light. It's just shining with light and a very large walk-in closet. Very large walk-in closet. Again, यहाँ पे भी सारा वो wooden floor वगैरह आना है, इसलिए भी कुछ लगाया नहीं हुआ. Don't worry about this colorful floor right now. But look at the amount of storage here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 doors of storage. And so that's what I'm saying. It's functionally very well made. आपको इतना बड़ा घर जो ले रहा है, you know, इतने high range में कोई property खरीद ही रहा है, तो he or she will have a lot of stuff. A lot of dresses, a lot of footwear, you need a lot of storage in a nutshell. Same with that. And then this has got this slabs storage. So this is a very good, I would say, area for storage. Mind you, this is also a very good location. This is French Colony and a very high-end apartment with that. Okay, again, of course, I am marketing this apartment and I do want to sell it, but this has like this whitish floor marble they've used on the walls. I mean, I'm a fan of this. I love this. And this is very different. अब दोबारा ये वाला शायद कहीं बिल्डर ने नहीं लगाया, इन्होंने चुन के कहीं से लाए होंगे. सस्ता महंगा मुझे नहीं पता. But this is looking very nice. This is so nice. Very good fittings again, all Toto and you know, temperature control stuff. You choose what temperature you want. Now this is also becoming the norm, it seems, but they're very expensive. They're very expensive fittings. So like the video if you're liking it, and do subscribe to the channel if you've still not done that. But you can write on the comments like what do you find missing in this property, or what could have been better, or maybe in the presentation, you know. Just go a little gentle on me. Yeah, just kidding. To say what you really want to say, but I think it's a very good property. यहाँ पे सारा वुडन फ्लोर आ जाएगा. We'll show you a glimpse of how it might look after the wooden floor. कुछ तरीका निकालेंगे दिखाने का. And then this is the fourth bedroom. Now this again, this whole flooring is going to be covered with a proper wooden flooring, and then on this side they've used this these bars, but what you see through them is all greenery, all palm trees and all that, fully soundproof. Okay, so this goes to the balcony, which we just saw. We could see it one more time, I guess. Shouldn't hurt. Okay, let's see the bathroom now, and we also have the terrace to cover, so don't go anywhere. Again, this has got a very big walk-in closet. So the earlier one we saw was the master bedroom number 1. This could be the master bedroom number 2. That one had a larger walk-in closet and all, but this is also fairly large. And, good amount of storage here. Wardrobes are pretty similar looking, so बस ये बाहर का different है जैसे, but lot of doors. Let's count the doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doors. So there it was 11 doors. It's 8 doors. 8 doors is not bad. It's a lot actually. बड़े 1000 गज के doors और 1500 गज के flats में भी होता है. This is very good. Here they've used this. तो यहाँ पे कुछ काम रहता है, जैसे ये टाइल यहाँ पे लगनी है, अभी कुछ होना है, so sorry for that, but ignore that for now. काम चल ही रहा है, and it's got all. Here they've used tiling, this white and grey style, Satvario style. This is not Satvario stone though, just to be very clear, but they look very good. It's been nicely done, recent. Okay, and then the rest of the stuff is pretty much standard. They've been using in all the house, Toto, and door set ke handles हैं, which are good quality. Let's I think go to the terrace and take a look at that. Terrace actually भी कुछ ज़्यादा इन्होंने भी बनाया नहीं है, so whoever takes it can probably do it up themselves. But look at this passage, this corridor from starting to end. Such a nice feel. You could have paintings on both the sides. This is going to look so good. Such a big hall. Wow. You could easily accommodate like 30-40 people here and do like a very nice get together. Open up the balconies. People could go in, go out. And then of course you have the terrace. There is also a unit here which does not have the terrace, so depends what you want. Okay, before we go to the terrace, there is also this staff room here, which is quite nice. Normally इतने छोटे-छोटे pigeon holes से होते हैं, यहाँ बहुत बड़ा है, और साथ में इसके there is this very good bathroom, I would say, which has got its own shower, WC, basin, mirror, geyser, everything is there, and it's connected to this big balcony. And so there is this big balcony and there is this big space here. So, the servants are also not like blocked into one small pigeonhole. So, good area. Okay, I love the staircase. It's all granite, पर ये ना rough वाला granite है, तो ये slippery नहीं होता, ठीक है? So this looks very good also, but the main point is not slippery, so you don't slip on the stairs. So this is a huge terrace. इस पर भी काम चल रहा है basically. जितनी भी आप side की walls देख रहे हो, parapet wall कहते हैं जिसको, इसको सारा छील के इसके ऊपर tiles वगैरह लगा रहे हैं, and then this will all be of course be cleaned up. If one was to move here, one would put a lot of planters. आप पौधे लगाओगे, बहुत सारे greenery लगाओगे और बहुत कुछ करोगे, शायद ये लोग भी कर दें, पर अभी काम यहाँ चल रहा है. So maybe not the best time to highlight the terrace, but अपराध हो जाएगा ना दिखाना, क्योंकि ये तो बहुत बड़ा हाईलाइट है. इतना बड़ा एरिया है आपके पास, at least you know that. Now you can put up कुछ भी आप एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाना चाहो, परगोला शगोला जो भी आपको सूट करता हो, I mean I can think of so many ideas, but more on that when you come to see this. Okay, so you come out of the lift lobby and then there is this space which will always remain open. यहाँ पे कोई गाड़ियाँ वगैरह नहीं आती, कुछ नहीं है, and this is very nicely maintained, अच्छे पौधे वगैरह लगा के, plants वगैरह लगा के, this is very good. And then all of this area then is for parking cars. सबकी अपनी अपनी assigned है, आपको भी assign होंगी, जो भी इस property को लेगा उसको भी assign होंगी अपनी car parks. Ample car parks, आपके guests आ जाएं तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वहाँ ड्राइवे में इतनी जगह है, हमने भी वहीं खड़ी की है. It's not an issue. Just giving you a feel of when you enter, what you see and how much space there is. So this is the gate. आप बिल्कुल main road, ये मथुरा road पे ये gate. वहाँ से आपकी गाड़ी सीधा यहाँ आई. You go to your apartment, straight away go up. I'm telling you, this is a very value for money deal. If you love main roads, if you are not, तो कई लोगों को main road बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं होती. And I understand, okay? और कई लोगों को बहुत पसंद होती है. ठीक है, और थोड़े से रेट्स कम ही होते हैं मेन रोड पे अंदर से, तो मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी डील दिला सकता हूँ। ओके, बट you will have to contact me, come and see the apartment, and then you can get the best deal. Okay, not on the phone. All right.